Y'all know my sister Cheryl?
Good to see you guys.
She's awesome. And she was up here walking around. I watched her while I was making some phone calls. And we're here where it is beautiful. The beautiful waterfalls. Oh, looky here. We got enough for lunch today.
Yeah, look at that.
Some people's getting rid of their pennies, getting some wishes. Here's some quarters. We have to go deep diving for the quarters. But it's beautiful here. It's a 2-tier waterfall over there. We head over here. There's Cheryl again. Check this out. That waterfall comes straight down. Oh, there's more money on that side. Here's that waterfall.